Hello YouTubers and YouTubies, North Coast T here. Today we're working on a 2005 Chevy Equinox LT, but that has no bearing on what we're doing.
And where are we?
More specifically, changing a taillight bulb. So let's get into it. Tools needed for this job are pry tool, 2057 bulb, and a 10mm socket with ratchet or a Phillip. First thing you want to do is get your pry tool and pry out these little caps here that hide the 10mm bolts. So let me get those off for you. This is where you have to evict your little critters that have been living in there. I just saw a good-sized spider climb down on that one. So there's your 10mm bolts. They do have Phillips head as well. I'm using a 10mm today. Let me get those two out and show you what comes next. Okay, on the 05 with your two 10mm bolts out, you want to pull directly straight out on this side, and that's what you're working with. These two pins go into these receptacles here on the side, so it pulls straight out the side of the car. And just like that, you have your taillight out, and you're able to access all your bulbs. Now, if you were changing the taillight, disconnect this and twist out your bulbs and put in your new taillight. If you're just doing a bulb, mine should be a quarter turn. And pull out. So let me get that bulb changed. Once you do your quarter turn and pull the bulb out of its receptacle, then you got to remove the bulb, and you can see it's got these little pins on it. So you gently press down on the bulb and just a tiny turn counterclockwise, and it pops out. And you'll see the pins are offset, and so are the grooves in the light bulb socket. So this is a 2057. Let's replace that. You can see it's definitely burnt. And then to put everything in reverse order, you put your bulb in here and make sure you line up the pins to the correct side. One's higher than the other. Push it down in and then lock it into place. And then put it in here, quarter turn, and then pop your pins back in. Line up your two pins on the side of the taillight, and then bolt your 10mm in. Hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give it a like. I hope you have a great day.